Well, good morning. What am I doing?
The Traveling Cheesehead hits the road on an epic road trip to Yellowstone National Park, stopping first in Chicago before we make our way to Rapid City, South Dakota, where we will explore for a few days. I invite you to join us on our adventure.
Well, good morning. What am I doing? We're about to go on a road trip. I may be crazy. I may not be. But we're ready to hit the road. To where? You'll have to stay tuned to find out.
We are headed to Rapid City today through West Virginia, then through Southern Ohio, across Indiana, all the way into Illinois. The total journey is supposed to take us 14 hours. I think it took us closer to 15 hours, but hey, we made it.
So
Spring Hill Suites in Chicago followed all COVID-19 regulations, but we were the only ones there. One of the fun things that we discovered was all of the wall drug billboards along the road. We were still in Iowa when we started seeing them, and let me tell you, they continue all the way through Ohio and all the way across South Dakota. They're fun, they're quirky, and get you really excited about stopping.
Good morning from South Dakota. We finally made it after driving over, right around 2,000 miles straight from the East Coast all the way to South Dakota. Here we are in Rapid City. We are at the Best Western Ramkata Inn, and I'll give you kind of a full review of that later. But we are so excited to be exploring our great national parks in this area of the country. I've been many years ago when I was a kid. My dad would take us cross country, and this Yellowstone and this whole area of the Black Hills and everything was always a stop on our vacations. So I'm kind of reliving my childhood, and I'm really excited because I get to introduce my husband to this area of the country because he's never been. We are here it's August of 2020, so we are also traveling during a pandemic and doing a road trip during a pandemic. So that is a whole another set of things that I'll talk about throughout our journey and kind of let you know how things are. But our trip was rather smooth. I just didn't vlog as we were driving and stuff much because we were tired and focused on making our destinations on time. We first drove from Virginia East Coast, literally like on the beach, to the Chicago area, spent the night there yesterday, and then got up, left probably about 6:30 in the morning yesterday, and arrived here in South Dakota right about 7:30. So it was, there's so much land. You forget how big the country is and how much space there is in the country. But yeah, so we checked in. The hotel's great. Like I said, I'll give you a tour of it. But today is exciting. So today we are gonna go see Wall Drug. That's where we're gonna have breakfast, kind of more of a brunch by the time we get going. And then we will be heading over to the Badlands National Park and exploring everything that the Badlands has to offer. See the prairie dogs, everything like that. I'm so excited. After we do that, we will probably make a quick stop back at Wall Drug because we have to go back that way and backtrack before we head over to Custer State Park, Crazy Horse, and finally ending our day with Mount Rushmore. We're hoping to catch Mount Rushmore just as the sun is starting to set and the lights come on. So we're hoping to get it both with daylight and with the lights on. We're gonna see if we can make that work. And then this evening, we're hoping, my plan is to go walk around Main Street in Rapid City and just check it out. I know it's a bigger city than I remember it being when I was a kid, but it's probably grown and expanded, but it still has its own charm, and I wanna kind of explore that a little bit tonight. So I'll take you with me all day long, update you as we go. But yeah, we made it to the West, so leg one of the West. I'm super excited. I'll catch up with y'all later. So this is our room. It's a standard king room. It's actually pretty roomy. Bathroom's over there. Nice little area here with coffee and mirror so you can get yourself ready. And then, you know, closet for stuff. But yeah, it's a nice big room. It was very clean when we moved in. It's not clean now anymore that we've exploded. But yeah, and then we have a great view. I'm gonna see if I can show you. The sun is kind of glaring in the window, so this might be difficult to shoot. But if you look back over there, we are up above Rapid City. So at night, it's actually really pretty because all the lights come on. But yeah, it's very busy here, busier than we thought when we were checking in. And this one has like a water park and stuff in it. So I'll take you around and show you some of that stuff later on.
Coming up next time on the Travelin' Cheesehead, we continue our epic road trip, explore Wall Drug and all of its quirky fun, before we head over to Badlands National Park and end the day by exploring one of the country's most iconic monuments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time on the Travelin' Cheesehead.